In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Drive into Claude. If this video helps you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. First things first, you have to create an account with Claude. It does need to be with a Gmail account, and it has to be the one that you want to connect to your Google Drive. Then what you're going to do is you're going to start a new chat and you're going to click on the plus icon. You're going to get all these different options. You're going to head to connectors and you're going to turn on the option to connect Google Drive. Refresh your screen and in just a few seconds, you have already connected your Google Drive into Claude, which is going to make it easier for you to save your files or to upload new ones. I hope this guide helped you, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye.